Friends, we'll start off with the first topic of the day, and that is that today you can find that there are a lot of changes in the geopolitical scenario going on, isn't it? Yes, sir. And therefore, India has to find its own place for which should sustain itself for the next 10 years or so. So, how do you think India should position itself in the world situation? Is it that it should align itself with the USA and the NATO countries, or it should form a fresh alliance now that things are becoming more normal with Russia and maybe even with China? Or should it form its own South Asian alliance just on the lines of NATO and make a South Asian alliance? Okay? So, this is the first topic for you. The second topic, friends, is which is the best way by which our country can be governed? Okay? Is it by having complete centralized rule and no state borders or anything? Or is it by giving complete autonomy to the states and having only defense and foreign affairs with the central government? Or should we go in for a 50-50 partnership between the two parts, that is the center and the state? Are you clear about both the topics?
Yes, sir.
Please decide and let me know.
So the first topic, I think it would be
we should
easy
go for
for
the first topic. The major issue is from the impact of recent wars happening in Russia and Ukraine, I think
India should not be aligned with any country like USA
and form other alliance in the Middle East region of the.
Okay, we haven't started the discussion. I was just asking you which topic should we go in for. So how many for the first topic? Okay, then there is no choice at all left. So friends, please begin.
I think India should continue to invest in the BRICS. We have a Middle East alliance in the BRICS, combining of Brazil, South Africa, and we should focus on BRICS so that we can counter NATO in some way.
Align with any country like Russia or USA. I think India should protect both the countries as like USA.
Yeah, I totally agree. India should not
focus more on BRICS
India buys
during the war phase, other countries step back and keep it alone. London, Russia, do as it's a part of BRICS. No one is supporting Russia and Russia is not a part of Ukraine.
We have seen that India is not supporting Russia, but are going to the war. India has Western countries holding the
Do not form any organization or give being a part of any organization.
Yes,
And
yes,
it
yes,
is
yes,
our
yes,
neutral
yes,
approach,
yes,
and
yes,
just
yes,
for the
yes,
betterment to support the economy,
yes,
the physical education or political reforms
As
only.
both the countries are
totally against each other. So we have to form a new
a
alliance.
neutral, we should take a neutral stand that
Like India is good with Russia and
should maintain the
China.
balance.
both these countries are developed, so and we should mostly form an alliance that are of developing nations. That's so that we will have
We want to further the
I don't think that
so we have to help countries like Israel,
like I would like to add a point on chapter number 17 that India should mostly focus on economy and like forming an alliance that is mostly Indo-Pacific and focusing on the
Yes, I think
India will also help the other developing countries for the development of their. Like India is currently a developing country, but it is coming as a
So
good
that-
leader.
Yes.
So it can also lead the
like
poor
we,
countries of Pacific
like we
region
have seen
for
that
the betterment of
in
their.
today's like the national security, it is that we are becoming a mediator between all the countries. Like India, Israel war also, they are asking India to mediate, and so we can form an alliance that is.
Yeah, I think
mostly
India become a mediator between India
and also like
between
Indian market
Russia
is
and
very
Ukraine.
important for all the nations, as we have seen that like other nation cannot buy crude
Yeah,
oil
India
from
has vast
Russia.
more population
But like
and
USA
other
is not
country focuses
USA
on
is
India
India
not,
also providing
sanctioning
for the
side to
economic
South Asian
and
countries
for
like
the
Philippines for their
USA
development.
is not sanctioning India for buying so our alliance and our stance is mostly important in the world geopolitics. As we have seen that Russia is not sanctioning India for buying crude oil, so we can
I think
be
India
a
should
very
also form alliance with
mediator
neighboring
and we can be
countries
a very good
so that
form a good alliance because
all
our
countries
stances are
develop
much
together
more
and-
important
Yeah,
in the
but India also should
geopolitics.
take a guidance from a
If
developed country for the mistake that they have done, which can't be done by the
Yeah, I
Chinese.
think forming a healthy alliance will be a very great option too. And
And
as we
also
see,
with a
from
clearer
the
goal.
many countries, MNCs come and settle in India for the development purpose. So yeah, it depends on India for economy, for the development and for the growth of the MNCs too.
Yes, I would like to
India
add
taking part
As
in
also
the
increase the employment of
also
country by
we have to
forming a
more
new
focus on the
MNC.
healthy alliance.
organizations like
USA is the developed
ASEAN
nation
and other organizations that
Yeah,
are
in this
mostly
type of, in this
focusing
type
on the
of
Indian
alliance.
Ocean region, that is maritime and others thing. We should be most focusing on these things rather than inclining towards USA
Yes,
or
sir, I agree with
Russia.
chess number 13 that,
As-
for example,
because
Quad is
it's
also
also the
very
Indian
convenient for
Ocean
India.
region
Benefits us in the
because
US Indo-Pacific region.
And the reason behind this is
look after the
because
Quad region so that China does not dominate the
I
Asian
think
region.
Quad is the way through which India is or the United States countering China to influence the Middle East region.
Yes,
So,
but
yes,
so
Quad plays a role.
when we talk about the US
Yes, and we should maintain a balance.
If we are talking about Quad, if
Any country want to
China and India have good partnership after BRICS
See, we all
summit.
know that
And
I would like to add
India
that-
and China partnership.
I want to add a point just to India China does not have a very good relationship recently.
Yes,
But
I
after
agree.
the lockdown in 2024,
I agree.
they are trying to become normal again and focus on economic and sustainable development together in both the countries.
Yeah, but
like-
India can also help
I
the
think
countries for
we
the
shall
development
not
of their
trust
economies
China.
in their defense forces and in many of the
And also
Friends,
like we
we
can
can-
be
friends, we
very
can-
much collaborative
and
with
also
the
for the
other
technology.
nations
Friends,
like
we can
Vietnam
also
and
go
all
to the
which are
research
safely
of
developing
quality of
nations.
India and
maintain
We can
its
also
but we have to
exchange our
we have to
technologies and
but
something
we
like
have to
that.
I want to add one more point that recently India does not share a very good relation with its neighbors. So forming alliance along with its neighbors in the specific Middle East region.
With the same
I stand to
clear-
develop
As
together
we have seen-
not promoting the
having a very good forward.
Yes, I agree with chess number 17 and I would like to add that
Okay, we'll go ahead with the second topic. These days we find that use of drugs and narcotics substances by the youth is on the increase. Right?
Yes, sir.
And it is also got linked with crimes.
Yes, sir.
So why do you think this kind of a situation is coming into our society, where the youth is gradually getting dependent on drugs and narcotic substances and even resorting such heinous crimes? Is it because there is too much of stress in the lives of our youth? Or maybe it's because the parents are not taking adequate interest in the moral and cultural upbringing of our youth? Or is it because there are no strict laws or there is no judicial clarity on such issues? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood the topic?
Yes, sir.
Please start.
Gentlemen, I think
is collected by the police. So there is a lot of corruption in
Cartels of the South America are more in the drugs region, where the more children are in the group of gangs of making drugs. The UN should also work in this part of area.
I think it's laws are there, but they are not less number of drugs or narcotic substances are used just because their laws are strict.
Yes.
Police forces them to impose
Friends,
that
one
law.
of the main reasons
there is availability of the drugs that are
representable schedule and
And also, I would like to add that geopolitics also the other countries plays a very important role in promoting the drugs and also that the society and the other thing is that mostly social media they are using basically so and we have seen that with social media we are mostly comparing ourselves. That is also a reason for stress and also that mostly people take drugs or like, and this is not a problem of like rural areas as we have seen that many like influencers and all they are also taking drugs because of the comparing nature of their, as we have seen that in
I think digital media plays a very important role the main cause where people are easily getting the drugs to use.
We don't have like strict laws that and also there are we have very
such as China has reduces the use of drugs in his country by 10% in the last year.
And mostly like
just
we
because
have
they are
seen that
strictly in it,
the
and
China and or
they
are like dumping
they
their
have the
drugs,
control of the social media in their
India.
particular country.
We have
And
seen
they
that
do not use the social media and Telegram.
I want to add a point. Recently, our Indian government in narcotics bureau catch the major people who involved in the drugs in the Punjab area.
But in this, when we talk about sports, it is strictly followed in all over the country. But India is lacking in following the drug rule. Like we have seen in the state level, the athletes are taking drugs for their better performance.
As we have seen that like police and all, they are mostly involved in that investigating the drug. So there can be a very much like bribes and all.
Yeah.
So we must have individual institutions that are only dealing with drugs related problems.
Yes, news
Punjab, Rajasthan, drug supply through Pakistan area. So our country, our forces like BSF are